Welcome to Seasoned Shorts, where every recipe is a bite-sized adventure. Today, our animated chef Duey C.K, along with his wisecracking peppermill sidekick Peppy, is diving into the festive world of eggnog. This creamy, spiced drink has warmed hearts during winter for centuries, and we're here to uncover its rich history and perfect recipe. Originating in early medieval Britain, eggnog was initially enjoyed by the upper class thanks to its luxurious ingredients like milk, eggs, and sherry. Over time, it crossed the Atlantic, becoming a holiday staple in America, particularly loved for its flexibility, whether spiked with rum or enjoyed as is. Ready to whip up your own batch? Start by separating 6 eggs, then beat the yolks with 3/4 cup of sugar until they turn a pale yellow. Slowly add 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and a 1/2 cup of your favorite spirit, optional. In a separate bowl, beat the egg whites until they form stiff peaks, then fold them gently into the yolk mixture. Add a dash of nutmeg and cinnamon for that quintessential holiday aroma. Chill the mixture for at least an hour before serving. Remember, the key to perfect eggnog is balancing richness with just the right amount of spice. So tie on your apron and let Dewey's animated antics guide you through this timeless treat. Enjoy your festive creation, knowing you're partaking in a tradition that spans centuries. Cheers to holiday cheer.